Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on understanding quadrilaterals, exercise number 3.3, problem number 11. So this is the problem, find the angle C in the figure if AB is parallel to DC. Okay. So again they have given that two lines are parallel, that is AB and DC are parallel, and here one of the degree, that is B, angle B is given. Okay, so when you take these two parallel lines, we can consider this line as transversal, right? Actually it is a transversal which is passing across a two parallel lines. Okay, so this is the transversal, and we have the property that sum of two interior angles on same side of transversal is supplementary, or we can say that it is 180 degree. Okay, so actually in this one of the angle, that is B angle, is given as 120 degree, and if we have two parallel lines and a transversal is crossing across it, we can say that the addition of two interior angles, right, it is going to be 180 degree. So using that property, we can say that angle B plus angle C, definitely it will be of 180 degree. So angle B is already known, 120 degree. So we need to find out angle C, right? So which is nothing but 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so the measurement of angle C is nothing but 60 degree. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.